Hello everyone, this is the explanation of the rest of the chapter. Now I am explaining. On the day of the performance, the court was packed with courtiers and royal guests. People had come from far and wide to hear Tansen sing the most difficult of all the ragas. Now the day of performing had arrived. The court was full of guests and courtiers. People came from far and wide to hear Tansen. Unlit lamps were placed on the wall. Tansen waited with his tanpura in hand, and as soon as the emperor entered and sat on the throne means Sinhasan, the great musician began the alap, the first section of a raga. As Tansen sang on, the air gradually became warm. Means now the lamps were placed on the walls and Tansen was waiting with his tanpura. When Tansen started singing, as Akbar came and sat on the throne, as Tansen started singing, the air slowly became warm. The audience started to perspire. Leaves and flowers in the garden dried and fell to the ground. Water in the fountains began to boil, and the birds flew away to escape the sudden warmth. The lamps lit up, and flames appeared in the air. People fled from the court in terror as the emperor listened in awe. A rose that he often held in his hand dropped and died. Now the air became warm and the audience started to sweat. Leaves and flowers in the garden dried and fell to the ground. Fountains water began to boil and birds started flying due to heat. Lamps lit up itself and flames started spreading in the air. Tansen's body was now hot and feverish, but observed in the Deepak Raga, he continued to sing enthusiastically. Seeing Tansen in this state, Rupa became anxious and was unable to start singing. Then, slowly, although faltering at first, he began singing the Megh Raga. Means people were scared while sitting in court. But the king sitting there, he was feeling the respect and wonder in himself, and the rose flower in his hand fell and died. And Tansen's body was now hot and become completely feverish. His body had observed Deepak Raga and he was still singing. After seeing Tansen, Rupa became anxious. She was trying to sing. Gradually, she started singing the Megh Raga. As her voice grew stronger and soared, the sky became dark with cloud. Soon it started to rain heavily. Many among the audience rushed out to be cooled by the rain. The temperature fell and people showered praise on Tansin ingenuity. Means as her singing sound grew stronger, so the sky became dark with cloud. The audience started feeling cold as soon as it started raining. The people also cooled down a bit and people praised Tansen's intelligence. Although the emperor was very pleased, he was shocked to realize that he had almost lost his greatest musician to the fire generated by the singers on music. For the singers himself, however, the internal fire lit by the Repak Raga didn't cool easily. Tansin fell ill and it was 2 months before he could return to the court. Means Akbar was very happy, but he was shocked to realize that he would lose his musician, greatest musician. He was surprised that Deepak Raga makes it difficult for the singer as well, and this Deepak Raga doesn't cool down too quickly. Dansin fell very ill and after that and he returned to court after 2 months. Thank you.